What is so funny? Jorgia Danielle, what are you laughing at? And what are you eating? You are too much. I can't deal with you, Jorgia. You are way too much. Girl, is that water good? It must be really great, Jorgia. Give me some of that water. Can I have some water? Jorgia, what is wrong with you today? Are you good? Are you good? Jorgia. Oh my God, I'm so done with you. I can't with you. What's so funny? What are you looking at? Is somebody talking to you? Huh? Are you talking to the angels? Say hi to the angels. Girl, if you say hi to the angels, I'm running. Say bye, y'all. Say bye. Bye, y'all.